Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and in this particular video you're just going to be learning exactly how to do your first automated backtest on TradingView, okay, from start to finish. This is for anyone who wants to test a strategy before going live, and it is easier than you think. All right, now let us just quickly get started. First of all, open any chart on TradingView. Okay, right now we have the GU chart open, that is the Great British Pound against the US dollar. Okay, feel free to open any chart, then choose the Forex pair or asset that you want to test. Click on Pine Editor at the bottom of the screen. This is where we're going to create a simple strategy script. Okay, you actually don't need to be a coder. You just paste this simple you can just paste a simple template. All right, you can actually ask ChatGPT to generate a script for you. Okay, you can actually do that. All right, so I'm just going to we're just going to go to ChatGPT right now, and we are going to ask ChatGPT to generate a script for us. All right, let's go to ChatGPT. Generate a script. Okay, let's say a Pine script for TradingView for a basic moving average crossover strategy. Okay, then we can just be more specific. Perhaps the fast SMA would be 9, and maybe the slow SMA can be 21. All right, let's just hit the enter button, and it's going to generate the script for us. Okay, and yeah, okay, so now we're just going to be more specific. Okay, so the script, the purpose of the script, sometimes when you're using ChatGPT, you just have to learn how to just give it instructions, based on how you're going to communicate with a human being. Okay, just give it the instructions that you want to manifest in your result, right? Whatever it is that you were expecting, just give it the instructions straight up. So the purpose of the script is to automate backtesting on TradingView. All right, okay, so to run backtest, you paste the code into TradingView's Pine Editor, you click add to chart, open the strategy tester, and all of that, and all of that, and all of that. So now we're going to click on copy. We're going to open this. We're going to go to this, and we're going to click Control A, Control V. All right. So we're going to click add to chart. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, we have added it to the chart. The strategy tester has opened. Okay, you can see TradingView will automatically run your backtest across all historical data loaded on the chart. All right, and you will see results. You can see the results here. Okay, you can see your actual results here. All right, you can see that both your entries, your exits, the price, position size, profit and loss, the run up, the drawdown, the cumulative P&L, and all of that. Okay, so this gives you, immediate feedback on how your idea would have performed in the past. All right, and you can see the specific dates used for the back testing. Okay, so if you want to change the time frames or the inputs, you just go back to the Pine editor, and adjust the moving averages. Maybe if you want to try, 5, here now that we use the 9 SMA and 21 SMA, you can actually decide to change it. All these places where we had 9, you can just change it to whatever, fast SMA you want to use. If you change it to 5, you can decide to test how maybe 5 will go against 50. Maybe you want to check how 10 is going to go against 20 or whatever. You can actually, edit it according to your taste. All right. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels with a few extra lines. Perhaps you can give ChatGPT the instruction to do that for you. All right. Pine script gives you full control, and there are tons of example codes in the TradingView community to help you level up. So even if you're not a programmer, starting with templates like this helps you experiment and learn fast. Okay, you can use this feature anytime you get a new idea. All right, don't rely on gut feeling or what looks good visually. Automated backtesting lets you test your rules across hundreds or thousands of candles with no manual effort. You'll quickly find out if a strategy works, where it fails, and what tweaks might improve it. Okay, it's one of the most powerful tools any trader can use, especially when you are just starting out, right? So if this guide helped you understand how to do your first automated backtest on TradingView, go ahead and hit that like button. Okay, make sure to subscribe for more TradingView tutorials, strategy, coding tips, and backtesting walkthroughs. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. All right, so that you won't miss out on more videos like this. In the meantime, stay sharp and keep testing smarter. See you in the next video.